What's good, everybody? Welcome back to Silly Crown Tech, and today I want to get into live text, but not just any version of live text, the brand new live text for video that has been introduced in iOS 16 and iPadOS 16. Now, without further ado, let's get into the demonstration. So there you have it. We're able to see a couple of examples of, as I mentioned before, some one-word text to that whole passage. Now, one thing that I did notice with the copy and pasting feature of the live text for video, of course you're pausing that video, but even if the text seems to be kind of far away in the video or you can't really read it while you're looking at the video, the neural engine seems to do a well enough job of, I guess, doing the zoom for you, because as you saw with that passage, I didn't think that I was close enough for it to recognize it, but it still picked up and tried to transcribe that long passage as best it could. Now, I'm not sure if you do get closer to a certain section of the video and copy, if it'll be better now in different runs. Results may vary for some of the same words or sentences that I was trying to copy, but as with everything that I'm demonstrating so far with these betas, it's just that it's a beta. So no telling how much more progress Apple will make in polishing up these features for the final versions. So let me know what you think about live text for video. Will you use it in the future? Do you use the regular live text for photos right now? Any questions that you have, let me know in the comments. Like the video if you did just that. Consider subscribing to the channel. As always, thanks for watching the video. Catch you on the next one. Be easy and peace.